Hey guys, if you're in the market for a mini projector, this is the CiBest, and I want to give you my quick thoughts on it and testing after trying it out for a little bit. Most important thing is obviously the picture quality. Here you can see what it looks like. One of the downsides of this projector is it does not have autofocus. You have to focus it on the remote, which is still not bad. You can get it very in focus, and you can see that's what I'm looking at right there. Now, this projector is pretty small. You can see it's about the size of my hand, has a power button on the top, and then on the back here, we have an HDMI, a USB, and an aux cord port if you want to do a different speaker. Now, this does have a built-in speaker with the volume up and down that you can control. It does get relatively loud, but nothing too crazy. It comes with a little barrel plug for the power cable, which you can see is relatively long, but you'll probably need an extension cord if you want to get a big screen. This is a smart projector, so you hook it up to your Wi-Fi and then you can log into all your different apps. This is YouTube right now. You can log into Netflix. All those main ones are on there. And to be honest, the picture quality looks pretty good, but let's do a test here where we turn on the lights. And let's see what it looks like with the lights on. And honestly, it doesn't impact it really that much. It's still showing up pretty good. And these lights are on full blast right now. Obviously, if you try this in the middle of the day, the results wouldn't be as good, but for a mini projector, it's definitely putting out a pretty good image. So I will leave links down below. Check it out.